If you're starting an online store, two big names might pop up, Shopify and Hostinger. So, which is better for you? Let's break it down. Shopify is a powerhouse for e-commerce. It's designed specifically for online stores, offering tools like inventory tracking, multi-channel selling, and integrated payment gateways like Shopify Payments. Plus, it has abandoned cart recovery, a huge app marketplace, and even a point-of-sale system for physical stores. But all that comes with a higher price, starting at $39 a month, plus transaction fees if you use external payment gateways. Hostinger, on the other hand, is more budget-friendly, starting at just $2.99 per month. It's ideal if you want a general website with added e-commerce capabilities. Hostinger's website builder is beginner-friendly, and while it supports payment gateways like PayPal and Stripe, it lacks Shopify's special sales tools and built-in payment systems. So, if you're serious about scaling an e-commerce business, Shopify is worth the investment. But if you're on the tight budget or need a simpler setup, Hostinger could be your go-to. So, what do you think suits you the best? Let me know in the comments below. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.